Hi, welcome to another episode of Git Basics. Today we're going to talk about Git Alias, and so this one's a pretty basic one. It's throughout the series you might have seen me using Git L or Git C to do, or Git S possibly. And I'm just going to show you my three most basic aliases that I usually use and show you how to get them for yourself. So we can do Git config global alias.c, and here's where I'm forgetting things. Do we do it in equals? I think it's equals. Let's try that. No, that's wrong. All right, just space and commit. So from here on out, I can do git c, and it will try to commit. And another one that I like is git status is no, I should like add a new line or something. So this prints out this big long thing, but there's also git status short, which prints it out as a single line, which is really nice for like really big changes, or like, well, it just makes it nice and compact. So I like to do git config. Let's copy that. And we can do s as status dash short. Yeah, and so you can actually get a whole list of the ones that I have usually. Let me show you also where the configs are stored. So when you do that, it's actually doing is writing to a config file. So the config file is in your home directory on a Linux system or a Unix system like Mac OS. The tilde is for the home directory, so that's home. In my case, is actually user/Michael. Let's just type it out, and then .git config. Right. I'm not trying to run it. I want to look at it. So vim git config. All right. So it's just added these two lines. Alias C is commit. Alias S is status. Oh, I messed up. We should have done git alias, and this needs to be in quotes. Otherwise, it'll miss the last part. Cool. Yeah, so that's working now. And you can see again that it's actually status-s. Okay, that's important. But now we'll go ahead and just show you the my usual one. So let's see if I just remove this. Config. Then let's see, and I'll just /install. This is a little installer I wrote for my own dot files or configuration files, and it'll just automatically symlink that for me. Yay. All right. Back to tutorial. All right. And if I do git status, right. Oh, right. I was going to show you vim.dot files. All right. No, that's not right. I'm sorry. I'm all messed up. Oh, God. I'm trapped in Vim. Oh, God. Okay. Vim.gitconfig. Okay, so these are the ones that I have. Generally, when you set up Git, you want to do config user.email and user.name. That lets you use like GitHub and stuff like that. It wants those to be configured before you can do that. And then, so these are like, this is my actual status command that I usually use. I'm not sure what U is for. This one's the important one. This one I use all the time. And it's super useful. It shows you all the log of all the commits plus all the it shows them in a compact form with the graph, which shows you like that was like for when we looked at the merging that shows you all that detail of like the changes in branches and stuff. Dash branches shows you all of the branches, including the ones you're not currently checked out, because that's not the default. Remotes adds like origin / master and all that stuff. And tags, we're not going to explain tags yet, but yeah, and then also show head. So, no, sorry. Yeah, does that show head? No, it doesn't show head. That's just saying do it from the perspective of head, I think. So, anyway. And then I have the same command here, but I just write LL, and all of the only difference is it's not in one line. So this actually shows me the full commit message, but it also shows all that other detail. This doesn't work on Mac, but it works on Linux. So, and yeah, so these are less important. This one's kind of important, actually. We'll cover that in a later episode. Anyway, yeah, there you go.